You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, word pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. We got more videos for you. This means a baby deer. A baby deer is called a fawn in British English, or fawn in American English. This is a cute version of fawn, meaning little fawn. It's popular around Christmas. British English pronunciation, Fawnie. Fawnie. American English, the Americans say it as Fawnie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.